this is a time of adjustment, and it's really a time for you to consider a new set of circumstances, and that might be that you're alone, that you want to think about what you share with family and friends, that you will be seeking out professional guidance in terms of financial support, emotional support, legal support. There are a lot of things that you want to do to sort of pull this together so that you can come through it on the other side and really feel whole and happy and healthy. Life isn't over. You're going to have a lot of life to live. In the meantime, let's take care of you. That means thinking about getting adequate rest, eating well, get your doctor's appointments in if you need to see a doctor for anything, get legal advice, put those professionals in place so that you have that support system. Also consider talking with friends, spending time with friends, spending time with family, and when you do that, you also want to think about what you're sharing with your story, because leaning on others for support is great, and that's what we're supposed to do, and we should have that support. But also, maybe be discerning about what you share, because others may not always be respectful, and they certainly don't have the obligation. One place to put all your information and do some really good sharing is you can seek out a good mental health provider. You can also use your journal for sort of doing a download at the end of the day and considering how you felt during the day, what you still need to do for yourself. Thinking about resources. Everything can go into that journal, and it sort of becomes your lifeline and your planner, and it can be used in a lot of different ways. But you do need a place to process, so a journal can be a good thing for that. Also, you want to think about what can you do for yourself. It may just come in little bites, a 10-minute walk outside, go for a swim, go for a run. Try to be active. It's a time of change, it's a time of transition, and it's a time of growth. And so you have a new opportunity to grow as a person and engage in ways with the world and with other people that are going to be brand new, and you get to maybe take the time that you've never taken before, or you haven't taken a long time, to just think about you, think about what you need, take care of yourself, and grow and start evolving in some different ways. Remember, you have lots of choice. This is not the end. This is the beginning.